Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 24 November 2022. Today's my Viva topic is string constant pull in Java. So I can tell you constant pull in Java. So string pull is the nothing of the with the storage area of Java heap where storing literal store known as the storage intern pull the string constant pull. It is the object. It is the objects allocation by the default empty privately maintained by the string class. So next is the whenever we create the string occupy some space in the heap memory memory. Next is the create a number string may increase the case memory to the reduce the performance also. So next is the JVM. The JVM is the perform some step during the initialization string literals that the performance difference memory load. When we create the literals, the first check the literal and string pool. Literals is the return reference to the pool instance. Next is the if the literal is not present in the pool, so the string object that take place in the string pool. So create string in Java. There are the two ways in create string pool in Java, using the string literal and using the new keyword. Next is the points of the remembers. Let's the about points remember about string. String is the immutable Java, that's the mean cannot be changed. That's mean the cannot be changed. Next is the all string are stored in the string pool that is allocated the Java heap memory. So next is the string pool is implementation of the string entering concepts. Next is the string is the pool. String pool is the employee of the flyweight design the patterns. So creating the number. Next is the creating the number of may increase the memory to the reduce the performance of the string in this also. So next is the string is the JVM performance stored during the JVM performance stored during the initialization of the string literals that increase performance and the increase performance and decrease the memory load. So whenever we create the string literals the JVM, that literal string pool if the literal already presents in the pool is the return reference of the pool instance is called the string constant pool in Java. So thank you.